Alright, you're going to work on the old truck again today, and should be able to get a lot done. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's December 17th, and it's already like 62 degrees out, which is crazy for this time of year. But and tomorrow I think it's going to start getting seasonably cold again. But what we're going to do is, I took the clutch Z-bar out of this to paint it. Now I'm going to put it back in and lube it up. You know, a couple different guys commented on what to lube it with and not to lube it with, and you know, and I'll show you what I decided to do. But that's only going to take a couple minutes to put in, and then I can start putting the fender back on and the grill. I don't think I can. Well, maybe I can get the Road Queen to help me with the bumper, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe we can get this whole thing looking pretty good today. So, all right, let's go inside and I'll show you what I'm going to lube that thing up with. All right, I painted these up, and they should be okay. And here are the little bushings. And I got Christ 24 comments on what to do with these. Lube them, don't lube them. You know, use silicone paste, use grease it up and everything. Don't use grease. And you know, you can't do everything everybody wants you to do. And we don't even know what they're made out of. I'm assuming they're made of Delrin, you know, which is a hard plastic that actually has graphite in it. And they could be some other kind of plastic, but the company that makes them, one of their selling points is actually you don't have to lubricate them. You know, they lubricate themselves. That's what made me think they were Delrin. But I'm going to put this some silicone paste on there because you know, I don't think it'll hurt, and it won't swell. It won't affect the plastic any. So that's good stuff. Yeah, using electrical connectors, you know, it's like a dielectric grease. And window mechanism, window tracks, seat tracks, weather stripping. You know, it's just a good all-around product. A bunch of different companies make this, but you know, it's all the same stuff. So it's I can't open it with one hand here. I was going to show you what it looked like, but anyway, I'll put a link in the description for this stuff if you guys want to use it. It's good, like I say, it's good for battery terminals and stuff. So, alright, let me put that on, and then we'll start putting this thing together. Alright, here it is. You know, it's almost like a clear jelly, and it's sort of waterproof. It doesn't get washed off or anything like that. So, that's what I'm going to use. You know, some of you guys might agree with it, some of you guys might not, but hey, you know, it's a 60-year-old truck. What the hell damage is it going to do, right? Alright, yeah, we're making a little progress here. I'm trying to get my own shadow here, right? Move this way. Got the inner fender on. I got it bolted up, but not tightened in place yet. And we put some dum-dum on the front here. You guys remember this stuff, 3M strip caulk? And that's put in there to keep it from squeaking and rattling, and you know, give it a little bit of a seal. But I only had to put it on the front here. You notice the little arc. The back actually isn't attached with anything but a big thick rubber strap. And then when you put the fender on, you'll have one bolt up here. So that went on pretty easy. Now I'm going to attempt to put the fender on. Alright, let's try to do it without scratching this thing up. Alright, I'm going to give you guys a little update here. I've been busting my balls on this thing for about 2 hours now, and got the fender on, but it's not bolted on at all. Matter of fact, I got held in with an awl. Yeah, I put the fender on, and the gap back here was over an inch, and I'm saying, and I couldn't push it back any further. And I'm saying, holy Christ, what could be wrong? So I pulled back the radiator support up top here, you know, but it only went so far. It wouldn't pull the fender back very much further. And I looked down here, and sure enough, the radiator support was stopping it. So I had to get under the truck on both this side of the radiator support, and I got the strap up here that was pulling the top in, and right now I got a strap under tension. Look at this little banjo string. And what I'm going to do now, what I got to do is I'm going to bolt the fender to the radiator support. Actually, I could bolt it to everything here, and then I'm going to have to pull it back, ease it back till I got my gap right, and then tighten my radiator support back up, and we should be fine. There is one bolt in behind this fender you got to get to inside the cab, which will hold that in place, you know. But I'm gonna have to leave the strap on there till I get everything bolted up. So this is where it comes in handy to have somebody around to help you, because that bolt, you probably can't even see the top of the bolt. It's down there past the strap. My arm's just barely long enough to hold that in place while I reached around and I took the bolt off under here. So we're getting it, but it's not easy. Chances are we probably won't get the grill on today, but just getting this fender on now is going to be a major accomplishment. Alright, let me get back to work. You guys are holding me up. Alright, yeah, I've been working on this for quite a while. The sun's going down over there, and getting a little chilly out, but we're happy with it. Still have a few minor adjustments to do. I'm happy with the gap. It looks like it's wider down the bottom, but it's not. You know, I got that fender pulled in as much as I can, and it's still sticking out a little bit, so I gotta bring the bottom of the door out. And if I look at the bottom of the door, I can actually see down here. You know, it's out a little further than the back, so I moved that door out an eighth or so, and we're fine. But we're happy with the rest of it. Yeah, we got it all bolted in 100%. So I wanted to get that grill in, man. That would really made it look good. But next nice day, I guess we'll get out here and put the grill in, and then we got to attach this, tighten them down, and maybe put the bumper on. But yeah, I'm real pleased with the progress, even though, you know, it fought me all the way. But hey, that's what it's all about. I think I was spoiled because this fender practically fell on, and it came out nice. So, all right, I don't know where we're gonna go from here, but I don't even know how long this video is. Probably not that long. So we'll review it and then see where we go from here. All right. Just got done. Spent about 2 hours trying to get this valance, you know, where it should be, and it's got it nice and solid now. None of this this part was aftermarket, and none of that stuff ever lines up. But I got this side pretty good, and this is the worst side. This side, not so much. You know, you see the fender curves out, and this don't, and this is sticking up here, and you know, luckily that's going to be hidden behind most of it behind the bumper, and the other one behind the grill. So, you know, that's what you got to deal with. Aftermarket parts, but you know, we're glad we have them. So there you go. You know, it was only 6 bolts hold it on, but you know, took 2 hours. All right, let me get the grill. We'll see if we put the grill in. All right, it's getting dark fast. Had a ton of lights on, but yeah, we got the grill in. We got to tighten a few bolts up, but boy, it's a long time coming, huh? Yeah, getting too dark to throw the bumper on, so maybe tomorrow if it ain't too cold. But yeah, that's a big accomplishment there. All right, I'm not gonna sign off, but we'll see you. Maybe we'll see you tomorrow. We'll throw that bumper on. All right. Got everything tightened up front here. I think Frosty, we're putting Frosty up. Get a quick look at him. Look at him, he's on his way up. on, Frosty, you can do it. You can do it, buddy. Here he goes. Oh, I'll also give you a look at his front, huh? We're looking at his ass. There we go. It's one happy snowman there. He's bigger than the house. Alright, let's get back to work. Alright, where were we? Yeah, Road Queen must have turned him on there. I heard him hissing out there. Alright, like I said, everything's all bolted up. Everything's all tight. It's all ready to roll. Just gotta put the bumper on here. Let's see if I can get Road Queen to give me a hand. Only 4 bolts there, but if she holds one end so it doesn't bounce off the fenders, we'll be okay. Alright, we'll see when that gets put on. Alright, we're about run out of daylight, and we just finished it up, so I think it's looking good. Yeah, buddy. Alright, that was a long time coming there, huh? Alright. I bet it makes the neighbors happy. I was getting tired looking at it myself. So, alright. Now I just got to finish the interior, and we'll bring the bed out and start doing the bed. So, what do you guys say? Enough of this? Alright. Thanks for watching.